show you my recipe for ramen noodles. So you need to have the pot full halfway or a little less, and then just have it a medium. And when it's like bubbling light, you put the noodles in. So I'm going to put the noodles in. You can have the water looking like this. Put it in like that. And wait for about 5 minutes. And leave the cap open a little bit. And just wait.
Okay, we don't have any more rice.
So now I am checking it, and it isn't quite ready. So now I'm just going to take the cap off and mix it a little. You can use a fork, a spoon, whatever you have. It's almost ready.
Where did she see this at?
On the dining room table.
Okay.
Why was it on that on her? I wasn't.
So now I think they're ready. So this is what they should look like. And I'm going to turn the stove off and let the bubbles go down and mix it a little more. Then I go drain some of the water out. It's fine if little noodles come out. That's a lot of steam. Okay. So then I put the seasoning inside. Look at that. Just pour it all in. Then I mix it all up. Okay, so I finished mixing them, and now I'm going to pour it in the bowl. Try to get as much as I can out of it. And then make sure you clean the pot. Wash it out. Okay, so this is what they should look like, or whatever seasoning you put inside. You can make your own, and you can even add whatever else you want to it. Like you could put eggs in it, green onions, whatever you want in it. This is how I make my ramen noodles. Hope you enjoy it.